Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. Today's video is going to be very short, sweet, and to the point. I'm going to be doing a review of the one, the only, the Shein wig. Just so you know where your expectations should be, I've already printed out my return label. The box itself is really cute. It's a bubblegum pink box and it has this little outline of different little wiggies on the front. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, the light is too bright. There we go. And then once you go to open the box up, it says, real hair, real you. You open it up and, oh, I've already opened it, so sorry, this unboxing is a bit of a mess. But it came with this little stuffing inside of the wig. The wig came inside of this plastic bag, and of course it came inside of a little hairnet. Don't worry, I'm getting to the actual wig itself, but inside of the box, it comes with a wig cap. It's just a beige color. It comes with a pair of lashes, and then it just has some like random papers. So obviously right now my hair is less than cute. I'm wearing a headband. My hair is completely braided up. And the front is out because I am planning on putting extensions in, but first I want to try this wig properly and give it a proper chance before I just send it packing. This is the wig. I got one that has bangs just because I didn't want to deal with lace. We've all seen how that's been in the past. And the first thing I will say I noticed is that online the bangs did look a little bit longer. I was hoping for more of a curtain bang look, and here it's giving midlife crisis bang. It is a natural black. You know me, I don't like light black hair. I like jet black. So if I were to keep this, I would dye it jet black. It does have this little tag inside. The hair quality feels like any typical wig. It feels like an Amazon wig. It's silky, definitely not a yucky wig. It's a 16-inch length, and what I don't like with wigs is the length is always, like, I should have known this. I should have gotten one longer because I knew I wouldn't be happy with this length. This does not look like 16 inches at all, especially when it's on your head. Like, this is gonna look like 12. Trust me. This is what the inside looks like, just your typical inside of a wig. It has like these large wig clips. It has 1, 2, 3 of them, plus it has the stretchy thing to hold it tight. No lace on this one. They do have lace wigs, and I've seen online, they all look great, but like I said, me and lace, we are just like, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. Let me just take my headband off. Don't mind me looking a little bit crazy. Oh, yeah, I think hold on. Obviously, this looks a little crazy. So I have my handy dandy hair straightener, and I'm gonna try to style this hair wig. So I'm gonna just start off by trying to straighten it. I'm gonna straighten the wig and just bump the ends. Okay, so this is how it is so far. It's human hair, so it straightens perfectly, just like any other human hair would. And even just doing this one side, it already looks so much better than this side. So I'm gonna continue on. Okay, so it's looking a little less crazy and a little bit more Jessica Day now, which is good. The bangs are going to be my next task. So I don't really like a thick bang, I like a thinner one, but there's nothing I can really do about that. I'm not cutting it because I already know where this is going, but I want to show you guys the best that it can be. And just so you know, there is like no shedding so far. I don't know how it would be after washing it, but as of now, no shedding. So I'm just going to quickly do the bangs and show you guys how it looks. Okay, it's not the worst in the world. Like, it's kind of giving Austin Powers, like, you know those robot girls? Maybe if it was a little thinner. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, You can't put your hair behind your ears because the wig thing does come all the way down to here. Just so you know. Wig. Maybe if I had makeup on or like a bright red lip or something. And it has like a short piece here. By the way, the wig. By the way, the link for this specific wig will be in the bio down below if you are interested in purchasing it, or if you just want a general link to get to the Shein wig department. See, this is like the length I would have loved it to be here, because then I would have done like a cute little curtain bang or something. You can't really split it because there's no lace. It's just like wig cap. Honestly, this is as good as it's gonna get. If this is something that is your vibe, like you're really looking for something more this style, then definitely go for it. But for me, it is definitely a no. And my head just looks really big. Like, I know you're supposed to wear a wig cap, but the style, like the make and model of the wig just makes it look very wiggy. Like, it makes your head look very large. Okay, that's not too bad if it was like flatter, but it's not. Ugh, I wish I could keep these lashes. Well guys, like I said, this was going to be a very short and sweet and quick and to the point video. It's just more for your information. I hope that it helped some people to make your decision on whether or not you think this is the route for you. Make no mistake, I've heard nothing but good things about the wigs from Shein, so I just think it's specifically this style that is not necessarily the best. I think there are other bang styles you should definitely look into if you're looking for a wig with bangs. Oh, this is cute. The way I have it now. It's definitely something that's subjective and it's going to be different for each person of whether or not you like it. But in terms of hair quality, the quality is great. No shedding. The wig itself is sturdy. However, there are only 3 clips. One at the back, 2 at the side. There is no clip at the front. So if somebody pulls on your wig, like, they could very easily snatch it. I feel like that's very useful information. Like, I don't know what you do in your spare time if you get into fights and brawls and stuff. Your wig could be getting snatched daily. Oh, this is like also a look. I know there are a lot of people who are into the short bang look. So, you know, just snatch it back a bit and then voila, short bangs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it and I hope it helped you in your decision-making process of whether or not you'd like to buy a Shein wig. Please remember to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so that next time I post a video, you'll be the first one to know. Bye guys.